And welcome to our morning math. As we get started today, we're on number 124, and we're going to begin by putting our name on the box. Then come on down, check out the morning activities. Make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper so that you can write some notes. We're starting off with addition and subtraction. Then we have subtraction, measurement, shapes with fractions, place value, and our challenge problem. Starting off, 2 plus 9. 3 plus 6. 4 plus 8. 5 plus 9. If you need notes, pause the video. We're moving on down. Maybe. 18 minus 9. 17 minus 8. 16 minus 9. And 15 minus 6. And that brings us down to our next problem. So if you need those notes, please pause the video. Subtract 8,319 minus 6,836. So we have to stack these up, and one of the most important parts of subtracting big numbers such as this is to ensure that you put the place value of the number in the correct spot. So 8,000 goes with 6,000 and so forth. Once you have that set up, we are ready to do our math. So we have 8,319 minus 6,836. And that brings us to 9 minus 6. You cannot take 3 minus 1 or 1 minus 3, so you have to borrow. The 3 becomes a 2, and the 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 3. Then 2 minus 8 you can't do, so you have to borrow from the 8, becomes a 7, and the 2 becomes a 12. Now you can subtract straight down, put your final answer right there. Anna bought a package with 4 cartons of orange juice. Each carton has 50 milliliters. What is the total? So we have 50 times 4. Now remember, take this 0 out of the equation. Bring it straight down because that is a power of 0 or a power of 10. So now we do 4 times 5, which is 20, and we add that 0. So you end up with 200. Now we need to forget, or we can't forget that we have milliliters, ml, m with a big L, milliliters. So don't forget that. Now we have this true or false question. These fractions are equivalent. So you want to look at the shaded in part. We have 1 out of 5, and we have 2 out of 5. Are they the same size shapes? If you said yes, then it's true. If you said no, then it's false. So hopefully you said it's false. Pause the video if you need notes, and let's move on down. Write a 4-digit number, and it tells you what to put in each place value. Has a 3 in the tens place, has a 7 in the hundreds place, a 0 in the ones place, and a 5 in the thousands place. So once you do that, you should have a number that looks like 5,730. 5,730 would be the correct answer. Hopefully you had it. Over the summer, Kim read 1,213 pages. Dave read 1,087 pages. Select all statements that are true. So Kim read 274 more pages than Dave. Well, we need to find out. 1213 minus 1087. You have to borrow from the 1. It becomes a 0. The 3 becomes 13. 3 minus 7 is 6. You cannot take 8 from 0, so this becomes a 1. That becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 1 is, or 1 minus 0 is 1, and 0 here. So now we have 126. So Kim read 126 more pages, so that is not correct. Dave read 126 fewer. Yes, that's true. Kim and Dave read a total of, well, we don't know. We have to find out. 1213 plus 1087. Add them up. You have 10 here. You have 8, 9, 10 here. You have 1, 2, 3, and 2. 2,300 pages. Nope, that is not correct. This one, the sum, yes, the sum is 2,300. Yes. So those two are correct. And now that you're done with that, you're done with your math. I hope you had a learning experience here. If you have any questions, make sure you ask, but you should have 100% on this. Thanks.